Sure, here are 5 delicious fish recipes for you to try. 1. Baked lemon herb salmon. Ingredients. 1. 4 salmon fillets. 2. 2 lemons, 1 sliced, 1 juiced. 3. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 4. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 5. 1 tablespoon fresh thyme, or 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 6. 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary, or 1 teaspoon dried rosemary. 7. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. In a bowl, mix the olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, thyme, and rosemary. 3. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 4. Brush the salmon with the lemon herb mixture and season with salt and pepper. 5. Arrange lemon slices on top of the salmon. 6. Bake for 15-20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through in flakes easily with a fork. 1. Grilled tuna steak with mango salsa. Ingredients. 1. 4 tuna steaks. 2. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 3. 1 teaspoon paprika. 4. 1 teaspoon cumin. 5. Salt and pepper to taste. For the mango salsa. 1. 1 ripe mango, diced. 2. 1/2 red onion, finely chopped. 3. 1 small cucumber, diced. 4. 1 jalapeno, seeded and finely chopped. 5. 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro, chopped. 6. Juice of 1 lime. 7. Salt to taste. Instructions. 1. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. 2. Rub the tuna steaks with olive oil and season with paprika, cumin, salt, and pepper. 3. Grill the tuna steaks for about 2-3 minutes per side for medium rare doneness or longer if desired. 4. For the mango salsa, mix all the ingredients in a bowl and season with salt. 5. Serve the grilled tuna steaks topped with the mango salsa. 1. Pan-fried cod with lemon butter sauce. Ingredients. 1. 4 cod fillets. 2. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 3. Salt and pepper to taste. 4. 2 tablespoons butter. 5. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 6. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 7. Juice of 1 lemon. 8. 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, chopped. Instructions. 1. Pat the cod fillets dry with paper towels. 2. Season the flour with salt and pepper and dredge the cod fillets in the flour mixture, shaking off any excess. 3. In a large skillet, heat the butter and olive oil over medium-high heat. 4. Add the cod fillets and cook for about 4-5 minutes per side, or until the fish is cooked through and golden brown. 5. Remove the cod from the skillet and set aside. 6. In the same skillet, add minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. 7. Turn off the heat and stir in the lemon juice and chopped parsley. 8. Pour the lemon butter sauce over the cod fillets and serve. 1. Thai red curry fish stew. Ingredients. 1. 1 pound white fish fillets, cod, tilapia, or any firm white fish, cut into chunks. 2. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 3. 2 tablespoons Thai red curry paste. 4. 1 can, 13.5 ounces, coconut milk. 5. 1 cup fish or chicken broth. 6. 1 tablespoon fish sauce. 7. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. 8. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 9. 1 zucchini, sliced. 10. 1 cup sliced mushrooms. 11. Fresh cilantro for garnish. 12. Cooked rice for serving. Instructions. 1. In a large pot or deep skillet, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. 2. Add the red curry paste and cook for a minute to release its flavors. 3. Pour in the coconut milk and fish or chicken broth, and stir to combine. 4. Add the fish sauce and brown sugar, and bring the mixture to a simmer. 5. Add the sliced red bell pepper, zucchini, and mushrooms. 5. Simmer for about 5-7 minutes until the vegetables are tender. 6. Gently add the fish chunks to the stew and cook for an additional 5 minutes or until the fish is cooked through. 7. Serve the Thai red curry fish stew over cooked rice and garnish with fresh cilantro. 1. Moroccan spiced grilled fish. Ingredients. 1. 4 fish fillets, such as snapper, bass, or trout. 2. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3. 2 teaspoons ground cumin. 4. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 5. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 6. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 7. Salt and pepper to taste. 8. Lemon wedges for serving. Instructions. 1. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. 2. In a bowl, mix the olive oil, ground cumin, ground coriander, ground cinnamon, paprika, salt, and pepper to form a paste. 3. Rub the fish fillets with the spice paste, coating them evenly. 4. Grill the fish fillets for about 3-4 minutes per side, or until they are cooked through and have nice grill marks. 5. Serve the Moroccan spiced grilled fish with lemon wedges on the side. Enjoy these flavorful fish recipes, and feel free to adjust the ingredients and seasonings according to your taste preferences.